There have already been numerous leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, and one of the latest suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might feature a more rounded design. Now, a well-known tipster has provided what appears to be our first look at the phone's design. Ice Universe shared an image that reportedly shows the front of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The picture clearly reveals a phone with rounded corners. The tipster also posted a comparison image that contrasts the supposed S25 Ultra with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, giving us a clearer sense of how the new phone's design differs from its predecessor. It's likely that this is in mock-up rather than a CAD-based render, so it's best to take these images with a grain of salt. We'll probably have to wait for fellow leaker Steve on Leakshammer to release CAD-based images for a more accurate look. Ice Universe shared a photo in which he compares the design of iPhone 16 Pro Max with S25 Ultra. In another tweet, Ice said, "Although it is a little round, it is still very note compared with S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra." Ice posted a picture and said, "What is the biggest problem with the S24 Ultra design? The number one flaw is that the horizontal screen-to-body ratio is too low. The body width is 79mm, of which only 72.3mm is the screen, and the remaining 6.7mm is all the frame and the middle frame, which makes the hand feel full and difficult to hold with small hands. The width is even more urgent with a case, so I never use a case. The screen width is a little smaller than the S23 Ultra, and the practicality is really not good. The S25 Ultra is completely different. It has a narrower body than the S24 Ultra and a wider screen, which is an ideal design." Earlier reports have suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, along with a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The phone is also expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast charging, similar to its predecessor. Reports also suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by a 3nm processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip with Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.